think it's easy. You think I don't run to you, yeah. But there are mountains, and there are doors that we can walk through. I know you're wondering why, because we're able to be just you and me within these walls. But when we go outside, you're gonna wake up and see that it was hopeless after all. No one can rewrite the stars. How can you say you'll be mine? Everything keeps us apart, and I'm not the one you were meant to find. It's not up to you, it's not up to me, when everyone tells us what we can be.
Litrato mo sa aming telepono, tinitingnan ko magdamagan. Ilang taon ko ng sikreto to, ayoko din nilang malamang damdamin ko'y binabalik sa ating nakaraan. Sa tuwing dumadaan ang batang nangangaroling, magkukunwaring parang walang narinig, pero nakasilip sa bintana. Nakahawak ka sa aking braso, tapos sabay tatawa. Isa yan sa mga masayang naalala. Ayokong buksan ang mga regalo kung wala ka, wala ka. Ayoko nang mag-imbita, mas pipiliin kong mag-noche buenang mag-isa. Malabo rin naman kasing mapapunta kita. Hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin sanay na nagpapasko nang di ikaw ang kasama. Kaiyak na pakaiyak, ilang Pasko nang di ikaw ang kasama. Kaiyak na pakaiyak, ngayong Pasko na namang di ikaw ang kasama. Dama ko ba Pasko parang di